Okay, I am in London. But where do I go now? This place is so big. The hotel is on Baker Street. I need to find the right tube line. The London Underground. I read about this. Okay, Yuki, you can do this. Let's go. One ticket, please. Oh wait, that is the wrong button. Sorry.
No worries. Press this one here, the Zone 1 day ticket. That is the best for you.
Okay, I need the Jubilee line. 3 stops. Then I change at Westminster. Yes! Jubilee line southbound, is that right? Wait, which direction is Baker Street? Oh, the doors are closing! I have to go now! Okay, I am getting on! Wait, this is not right. This station name, I do not know this place. I am on the wrong train! Oh no, this is completely wrong. I got on the wrong line. What do I do now?
No problem at all. You need to go back 2 stops. Take the northbound platform, just over there.
Oh, thank you so much. Okay, I can do this. Just stand on the right side. That is the rule in London, yes? Okay, I am on the correct platform now. Northbound. This is right. I did it! Baker Street is the next stop. Only a few more minutes now. I am almost there. Keep going! Oh wow, this is London. It is really beautiful. I cannot believe I am really here. I have to send this to my mum. She will be so happy. London is even better than the photos. My phone says turn left here, but the sign says Baker Street is to the right. Which one is correct? That cafe looks so warm inside, and I am very hungry. Maybe I can stop for just a little bit.
Hello, are you ready to order? I am not sure. Can you help me?
What is a scone? Excuse me, can I come in, please? I am very cold and very tired. I just need a short rest. Oh, this tea is so warm and good. I really needed this. Today was very hard, but I am okay now. Let me see. There is toast, soup, and full English breakfast. What is a full English breakfast exactly?
It has eggs, bacon, sausage, and toast. It is very filling.
Oh, that sounds perfect. I will have that, please. This looks so delicious. I am very hungry. In Japan, I always eat rice. But today, I will try something new. In Japan, we do not eat beans for breakfast. It is very different, but very nice.
Most visitors say that. You will love it here, I think.
This is so good. The eggs are soft. The toast is warm. I think I really like English food. This is a good day. Mum, I am okay. I had a little problem on the train today. But I am fine now. I found a nice cafe. London is very beautiful. Okay, I am ready now. The hotel is on Baker Street. My phone says it is only 5 minutes from here. I can walk. Oh, a red telephone box! I have seen these in photos so many times, but in real life, it is so much bigger and so red! This is it. This is my hotel. It is so grand. I did not expect it to be this big. Okay, Yuki, you made it. You are here. Hello, I have a reservation. My name is Yuki. I booked online, I think.
Good afternoon. Welcome. Let me check for you right now. Yes, I can see your booking here. Could you please spell your family name for me?
Of course, it is YKI. Yuki. It means snow in Japanese.
Thank you. May I see your passport, please?
Yes, of course. Here it is. I also have my booking confirmation on my phone if you need it.
Everything is ready. Here is your key card. Your room is on the 3rd floor. The lift is just behind you.
Thank you so much. Really. Thank you. 3rd floor, room 312. I made it to London today. I got lost. I was scared. But I am here now. I am really here. Oh, it is so nice. It is small, but it is warm. There is a big window. And the bed looks very soft. I think I will sleep very well tonight. Today I learnt many new English words. Jubilee line, northbound, scone, full English breakfast. I will write them all in my notebook so I do not forget. Today was not easy. I got lost 2 times. I was confused and a little scared. But every person I met was very kind. That made me feel much better. Mom, I can see you. Yes, I am okay. The hotel is very nice. London is amazing. I miss you. But I am very happy. Do not worry about me, okay? Tomorrow I want to visit the British Museum and maybe Hyde Park. And I want to try a scone with cream and jam. I have a lot to do. I am so excited. Let me unpack a little. My toothbrush. My book. My extra jacket. Nothing is lost. That is very good news. London looks so different at night. The streetlights are warm and orange. The road is wet and shiny. It is very beautiful. Like a painting. I am so tired. But it is a good tired. Today was my first day in London. It was hard, but I did it. Good night, London. See you tomorrow. Good morning, London. I slept very well. Today is a new day. Yesterday I was lost and confused. But today I am ready. Let us go! First I will go to the British Museum, then Hyde Park. Then I want to find a nice cafe and try a scone. I have my map, I have my phone. I am ready. The air is cold, but it feels so good. Yesterday I was nervous on these steps. Today I feel much better. London, here I come. I am not scared anymore. Bus number 30 goes to the British Museum. It stops right outside. That is easy. Yesterday I did not understand the transport. Today I do. I am learning. I can see the River Thames from here. And that big clock tower. Is that Big Ben? I think that is Big Ben. This is amazing. I love London. This object is from ancient Egypt. It is more than 3,000 years old. 3,000 years? I cannot imagine that. History is so long and so interesting. The British Museum. It is free to enter. I could not believe that when I read it. Everything inside is free. In Japan, all museums cost money. This is wonderful. Look at this ceiling. It is made of glass and metal. It is so big. I do not have words in English for how beautiful this is. Maybe there are no words at all. I love to draw. When I see something beautiful, I want to put it in my notebook. Drawing helps me remember. Better than a photograph, I think. More personal. Okay, this is the moment. A real British scone with clotted cream and strawberry jam. I have waited for this since yesterday. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Hyde Park is so quiet and so big. I did not expect a city to have a park this large. The trees are tall and the air is cold and clean. I feel very calm here. This is the River Thames. And behind me, that is the Houses of Parliament. I have seen this in so many books, and now I am really standing here. It is unbelievable. Oh my goodness. This is incredible. The cream is so thick, the jam is so sweet, and the scone is warm and soft. Why did nobody tell me about this before? I am sitting in Hyde Park. I just ate a scone. The air is cold, the sky is grey, but I feel so happy. I think London is exactly the right place for me right now. I want to write everything down before I forget. The museum, the park, the scone, the river. Every day in London will be a new story. I want to remember all of them. Yesterday I was scared and confused. I did not know where to go. Today I walked all over London alone. I feel so different now. I feel strong. I feel ready. Thank you for joining me today. I hope your English is a little better now. Remember, it is okay to get lost sometimes. That is how you find the best things. See you next time.